Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a week, actually over a week in these twists. In my previous video, you all saw when I did a twist in chat, I did tell you all, I'm like, I need these twists to last for a good little while because I need a break from doing hair. So here it is the very next day, which I consider to be day 2, and we are going for a quick little style where I am going to use a cute little scrunchie to put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'll have a few little bangs in the front. And for my nighttime routine, I am just going to take that scrunchie off, shake my hair out a little bit, and then I'll tie it up and get ready for bed. It is day 3, and thankfully my scarf did its best to stay on the previous night. I am actually going to go for a cute little pinup style today because I had just a little bit of extra time in the morning. So what I am going to do is split the section in half in the back, and then I am basically going to crisscross it and pin it into place. It is actually going to look almost like a cloth clip hairstyle, but without the cloth clip. So I'm just pinning a few of those pieces in the front together so that they are not just flying every which way. And then I'm going to use some of the dew mousse that I used to style my hair in the twist and chat video to lay down my edges. And I have to say, this was one of my favorite hairstyles that I wore for the week. Now for our nighttime routine, I am actually going to take it down. If you all want to leave some of these styles up for the entire week, you are more than free to do that. Me, on the other hand, I like to be free, okay? So when I go to bed at night, I don't like nothing tying me down. I just like to be super free, especially when it comes to my hair. And here it is, day 4, and today I'm going for a half up, half down do because that's just what I was feeling. I wanted absolutely no hair in my face today because I just wasn't feeling it. So I'm just going to gather some of those twists in the front. I am going to cross it to the other side and add a few bobby pins, and I am going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And to lay down some of the fuzziness in the front, I'm just going to use some of that mousse again to lay down my edges, tie them up, and then I'll be out the door and good to go. And just like that, we are good to go. And again, for this nighttime routine, I went ahead and took all of those bobby pins out, threw my scarf on, and put my bonnet right on top. Here it is, day 5, and today I was just wanting my hair to hang down. I was actually loving just the overall texture of my hair, and I was like, we can do a hang down day today. But I am going to add just a little bit more mousse to my edges just to make sure that they look as neat as possible, especially as my twists are getting a little bit more fuzzier. I tried to at least show some effort in the front of my head. And just like that, we are good to go for another day. And for this nighttime routine, I am going to add just a little bit of water to my twist. This is only to get the dents out of my hair from the hairstyles that I did earlier in the week. I'm adding some mousse to the pieces of my hair that look a little bit more fuzzier than the others, and then I will go in and add some more mousse to the ends of my hair, especially in the back of my head, to help with the definition. And this is only because I am actually taking these twists out tomorrow. So before you actually do the twist out part with these twists, make sure you reset the hair the night before and tie it up as usual, making sure that you do not tie your scarf on top of the twist and you actually go under the twist. We do not want any dents in our hair whatsoever. It is the next morning, and of course, whenever you are getting ready to take down twists, you want to make sure that you have enough time. So make sure you time your morning routine out accurately. I'm just going to use this scrunchie to make sure I don't miss any twists, and I am only going to take these twists apart. I am not separating because I want this twist out to last as long as possible because we are stretching our hair until wash day. And here we are with some definition that is definitely going to last. On this day, I am going to get a little bit of edge booster out because I did want a more sleek look today. So I'm just adding a little bit of edge control, and don't worry, I am not going to add any more edge control this week because with this edge control, you can always reactivate it just with some water. So I did go in with a wide tooth comb just to fluff my roots just a little bit because I didn't want to have any gaps. And of course, whenever you have a twist out, don't worry, it will get bigger as the days go by. As you can see, my hair actually got a little bit bigger by the end of the day. Here I am just adding some water to my edges. I am going ahead and smoothing them down because I don't want to have to do this process in the morning. And of course, with edge booster, it has such a very strong hold that you have to use water to actually move the product, if that makes sense, on your hair. So tonight I'm just doing my usual banding method to preserve my curls for the next day. I'm tying a scarf around my edges because I do have the edge booster up there, and I will put a bonnet right on top. Here it is, day 8, and I am actually going to take these ponytails out. And as I take the ponytails out, all I have to do is fluff my hair, fluff my roots, and I'll be good to go. And here we are for the nighttime routine. I just threw those ponytails in again, and now I am going to tie my hair up and put my bonnet right on. Now I did skip day 9, but here's day 10 hair. I did for the rest of the week go ahead and high puff for the rest of the week, but other than that, this hairstyle lasted me a full 2 weeks. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!